Hi. Today, we will talk about the different types of clouds supporting Microsoft 365. We have mentioned earlier that the Microsoft Cloud is global. However, not all M365 users connect to the same cloud. The most common cloud environment is the worldwide commercial cloud. This global infrastructure is run by Microsoft and serves customers all over the world, except for China. The worldwide commercial cloud is designed to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes, offering high availability and scalability features. In China, however, Microsoft 365 is operated by a local partner, 21Vianet. This cloud environment is specifically tailored to comply with Chinese regulations and data sovereignty requirements. Indeed, it's essential for companies operating in or with connections to China to ensure their data is kept within the country. The United States government has some security requirements of its own. The Government Community Cloud, or GCC, is designed for federal, state, local, tribal governments, and other entities. It adheres to strict U.S. government compliance standards, allowing government agencies to collaborate securely within their ecosystem. For organizations dealing with controlled unclassified information, CUI, or supporting the Department of Defense, DoD, Microsoft offers the Government Community Cloud High, or GCC High. It builds upon GCC's security features and adds additional controls to meet more stringent security requirements. Finally, we have the Department of Defense Cloud, a dedicated cloud environment that caters to the specific needs of the U.S. Department of Defense. It meets the highest security standards and ensures sensitive military information remains protected. All these types of clouds, worldwide commercial, 21Vianet, GCC, GCC High, and DoD, have different sets of endpoints for the same M365 services. In secured environments, these endpoints need to be authorized to access the service. Therefore, knowing the type of cloud you're connecting to not only is important for IT administrator to correctly manage your networking security and provide a seamless service. Developers building solutions based on M365 and Azure services need to be familiar with them to allow for good functionality and for cross-cloud configurations. Microsoft publishes endpoint changes periodically, whenever new services are added to their cloud, or when they optimize their connectivity. In addition to the types of cloud, there are a few more things to know if you operate your M365 globally. Besides China, there are other regulated countries. These connect to the worldwide commercial cloud, however, they have specific restrictions and rules you should be familiar with. These regulations often dictate how data can be transmitted, stored, and accessed in cloud environments. You will find specific regulations in the European Union, EU, with their GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and, within the European Union, stricter regulations apply for other countries, like Germany. Brazil, with their LGPD, General Data Protection Law, has similar rules. And so do Australia, Russia, India, and many more countries. Starting from the beginning of June 2023, Microsoft has released Microsoft 365 Multi-Geo. This is a service that provides their enterprise agreement customers with the ability to expand their Microsoft 365 presence to multiple geographic regions within a single existing M365 tenant. Multi-Geo enables customers to manage data at rest locations at a granular level for their users, SharePoint sites, M365 groups, and Microsoft Teams level. Multi-Geo is targeted to customers who have a need to store data in multiple geographies to satisfy their data residency requirements. To manage the endpoints for different clouds, NegativePID has designed solutions to help you keep your networking requirements safe and up to date. Secure gateways bring thousands of Azure and Microsoft 365 endpoints and firewall rules to the same data pool. This allows you to quickly search, identify, and export what you need to configure your network. You can purchase secure gateways from the NegativePID online store.